one chord to the next chord in any inversion is a very useful skill. And here is a groove to do just that. We're in the all white group, and we're going to go from the 1 chord to the 4 chord in all inversions. Starting with a C major chord, the top 2 notes are going to go up to F and A for an F major chord. The C stays in the same position. We're going to add a bass note, and it's the root C, nice and low. Now we're going to go into first inversion. The C still gets held, so the bottom 2 notes will go back and forth. Up to second inversion, E on top. The C is still held, the outside notes are going to go back and forth. And we finish it off. Here is the whole groove. 2, 3, 4.